We are at 1369 Tranquil Skies. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story home. So remember that I'm at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story, so they usually do have 2 bathrooms. If it is a 2-story, they will have another guest bathroom downstairs. But this property is in Henderson. It's a great location. As you can see here, there's some mountains over there. It is a cloudy day here in Las Vegas, but it is a great neighborhood here. We're above Horizon Ridge, so I'm gonna take you guys right inside.
So if you want to know more about this property, leave the information down below, or you can call us, text us, email us. However you want to get a hold of us, we're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.